Hey guys, Chuckpopovich here with Chris Clay, Bricks to Clicks. We're on our second bedding pallet.
Wait,
and
why don't I have a sweatshirt that says Bricks like this?
you can buy one. I give you permission to use the logo. So second bedding pallet. Yesterday's bedding pallet was a home run shipment. Almost paid for the whole shipment yesterday.
Yeah, we already sold 2 of the pillows.
Which is so funny because we just literally got them all situated. It was 2 of these that we sold already. So make sure to subscribe, share us. We appreciate it very much, and it's free. It doesn't cost anything, so help us out. Show us a little bit of love. We're gonna get into this next shipment, and we only paid $140 per pallet, $140 per pallet, and the total was $840 for 6 pallets. $840 for 6 pallets.
You're asking me like I know. I don't know. You spent the money. I just break it down.
Exactly. We're breaking down the numbers.
So these pillows are $30. We're selling them for $10 a piece.
Locally.
Locally. We have like what? 6 again?
So these pillows right here, boom. These are nice pillows.
That's good money.
Yeah, these would be good money.
What's the brand? Can we send those?
Opal House. That was enough. But $30 a piece, $60. They're probably discontinued. We probably won't even lower the price on these pillows. We'll just do 2 for $60, ship them together, and make $60.
Brand new King comforter set, 8-piece. It's got a $90 price tag on it. That's awesome. We'll have to check to see if we can send that. Although it was struck out with everything yesterday at 70 stuff.
Yeah. Except one thing yesterday was $150.
It paid for the whole pallet.
It paid for the whole pallet, one item. True North comforter set, brand new, twin. That's pretty nice.
Yeah, full queen set. The tie hasn't even been broke off the zippers there. It's got a $90 price tag on it.
True North sheet set, king size.
That open?
And this one's a tough one. I think maybe repackaged possibly. I think it's a sheet set, man. Can you imagine how? I feel like
Is this a customer return pallet?
Yeah, all of them were. All of them.
Because this is brand new as well.
We need to just get into the bedding business.
Right? Queen comforter set. Another $90 price tag on it.
King comforter set, 8-piece. This one looks brand new to me. $90. I feel like this is a nice shipment.
This is definitely been repackaged here.
Yeah, this one too.
It's a quilt queen. We think auction.
Yeah, we got enough new shit. True North down comforter, full queen, definitely been repackaged. And you know, if you want to put time into it, I'm sure you could sell it, but we got enough stuff to deal with in this warehouse and to nickel and dime everything right now. Maybe a year ago.
Yeah.
Not now.
Yeah. This one's been open too. It's a queen comforter set. Some of this stuff too is just missing the shams. I know when we've spent a little more time going through this stuff, instead of trying to move it fast, most of the time it's just a pillowcase or a sham missing. And you can just take like a couple bucks off of it and still make good money off of it.
Intelligent design. This is repackaged. I mean, it was clearance for 30, so I would guess it's probably $50. But nice piece. We'll send it to the auction. Ooh, that's a nice quilt right here.
Right here.
Right here. $80 quilt. We just sold a quilt today for, what was it, $80, and it had no original packaging whatsoever.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah, $80 we sold it for. So there's a nice quilt, $80 quilt, brand new.
We got some shag pillows. It's kind of an ugly color in my opinion, but
We sell all, probably could sell all 4 of them together.
it's got $30 price tags on them.
Oh, $60.
Yeah.
You can sell all 4 together, saving shipping, or do 2 lots of 2, and then have someone buy
And add
both
a
of them.
discount to
Yeah.
it to give them a buy all four.
It looks pretty nice. So there's $120 a pillow.
Oh, we got a white one too.
Maybe we'll find a second pair to it.
Lay
Jersey quilt. This is brand new. You can feel the cardboard still inside of it. 12 queen set, room essentials, brand new. And everything like 2 pieces, 3 pieces that's customer returns.
Yeah, this one is. I mean, this isn't even a customer return. It's just been repackaged, so they probably opened it on the sales floor. And then the associates just had to wrap it back up, and no one bought it. So
Tranquility weighted blanket.
those are good money.
These are really good money. I mean, even when we send them to the auction, they sell between 25 to 40 bucks. We'll look it up and see. I want to say they're like 80 to 100 bucks.
Yeah.
Online.
I think they've been around the $100 mark.
And this is a 12 pounder, so you can work out with it for a little bit. So we'll check this out. That's it. Another quick pallet. The pallet's empty, super quick, 140 bucks, and you know, just 2 pieces will pay for this whole pallet.
Yeah.
We got 4 more to go.
A lot of brand new stuff too.
And it's funny because the 2 we just did, I thought would be the worst 2 because 2 of them we have are just, we can tell, straight over the shot.
Oh yeah.
So it'll be good stuff. So I'll flip you guys around, check it out, and make sure, subscribe, share us, so you can see everything we get in. So all brand new bedding, 2 of the extra pillows up top.
Hit play and just let it go and walk away.
Yeah, you don't even have to watch us, just play, subscribe, and share. And then some nice stuff here, and then a couple auction pieces over here, which would be good money. So we're already getting our auction piles ready to roll. And empty. So what we got for you guys in this one, that's a super quick video, less than 10 minutes. We'll get the next pallet ready, get it situated, and
These
we'll
are
see what we
the
get out.
type of pallets I like. Doesn't take up a lot of my time.
Yeah, absolutely. So we'll be back. Make sure, subscribe, share us. See you soon.
Stay classy.
Stay classy.